Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to work on the Rav4. Come on, let's check it out. All right, so we'll be replacing this cover, the cargo cover. So open up like this. So this will be replaced by the Molle panel or a Molle tray that's made for the Rav4. And if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. This is from CARTRIMHOME. You can also use my discount code FG7P to save 7% on your purchase. So this is the package. So let me open it up and just lay it out here to show it to you. All right, so this is the tray that we need to assemble. So this will go this way, I believe, or that way. Yeah, so it will replace the cover that we have here. I don't use this car for overlanding or camping. I use my Rav4 runner for that. But we'll see. This will definitely help on putting on some stuff in here for sure. But if you're into overlanding or camping, this will definitely help. If you want to purchase it, again, I'll put the link in the description. So what we have in the box here is we have some hardware. And then we got some adhesive promoter. And then we got instruction manual. So yeah, according here, this is only secured by double-sided tape. So make sure to clean the surface properly and use the adhesive promoter. I guess optional if you want to. You can drill, just do your own drill basically. Again, that's up to you. But other than that, yeah, instructions are here. So there's two ways that you can actually use this. One is upward position and one is like lying down position, like a regular tray, how you use a regular tray. And one is on the upward, probably if you have pets. So that will help basically just to contain them here in the back or in the front if you don't want them to jump into the back. So either or. But for me, I think I'm gonna use this one as a regular tray or install it as a regular tray just to avoid any blind spot, because the car is basically being daily driven by my wife. So yeah, so let's proceed. Let's assemble it. Okay, just again, wipe this properly. I'm wiping it with alcohol just to make sure that I remove any oil on the surface. So, and just let it dry. Yeah, just let it dry, and then we'll use the adhesive promoter later. All right, so first what we need to do is we're going to apply this on the car, which we're going to install them in here. So make sure you clean this one up, apply the adhesive promoter, and then what I'm gonna do extra is I'm gonna warm this up on my heat gun to basically make sure the double-sided tape is sticky. All right, then we're gonna apply them in here. Then we're going to assemble the tray. All right, so we're gonna apply this one out. Make sure it aligns properly, which I'm sure I'm gonna mess up on this. Yeah, there you go. If you want to measure it first, again, it's up to you. How are you gonna apply this? But for me, now it is even on that side. Now I'm applying pressure. That looks good. Then later on, once we put the tray in here, it will stick. Alright, so both of the brackets are installed, and now it's time to put on or assemble the tray. Alright, so the tray has been assembled. So what we're gonna do next is we're going to put it in the car and basically put on the bolts. So make sure when you assemble this, it comes with 4 bars, one at the cabin side, one on the door side, the back door side. So with this, it has a single one side of the bar has a bolt holes on it, and the other one has double sided, the one that's face the cabin. So yeah, so now we're gonna put it in the car and let's see and try to align it. All right, so this is so light. See, holding it with one hand right now, and let's see if we can install this properly. I think it's better if I go or start from the inside. All right, so hold on. All right, so we're gonna start from here. It's better if we're gonna work from here. There you go. Okay, so next thing, basically we're just gonna put on the screws to secure it. So they provided some butterfly screw. All right, so that when you move it to the other orientation, it's an easy process for you to loosen them up. You don't need to use the Allen key to undo it. All right, so but since I'm not gonna use it on that second orientation, I might secure it with the Allen bolts that we have. All right, so they gave plenty of bolts in here or screws, so yeah, just use them and be able to secure it. Nice. All right, so secure them. If you see this, you can secure them. There's some welded nuts at the bottom, and just tighten those once you're done. All right, so I'll show you the finished product once I'm done tightening them up. All right, so there you have it. So after you install it, tighten everything up, make sure everything is aligned, and there you go. There you have it. I like it. So they also send me some similar to Quick Fist. So let me show you some usage of those Quick Fists. All right, so these are the Quick Fists that they send me. So they basically 4 sets, so 2 large one and 2 small ones. So we can put this underneath, all right, and we can secure like a shovel or anything that you want to secure that will fit this diameter or this size. But yeah, so it looks neat when you have something like this, and these are easily secured by a nut, and there you go. So it is secured here. Just tighten that, then you can put anything here, and yeah, it's nice. All right, so yeah, so it is secured in here. So just simply bolt it in here, make sure you tighten that. Just putting that for just for a sample in there. So just do the same measure, basically find the hole and then tighten it where you want it to be. So let me check something, if there's anything that I can put on this one. I know I have some stuff on the Forerunner. but let me check if I have something that's laying around. Alright, wait, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm not sure if this is too small for this, but this is my torque wrench. Yep. And just secure it. So it gives you the idea. So again, if you're overlanding, you might have a shovel in here or anything that you want to hang underneath. And then you can put some stuff in here also. Again, that will definitely help. Yeah, so this one looks good. I like it. So again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. It's gonna be from CARTRIMHOME. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. Alright, again, if you find this video helpful, please consider supporting.